Hi everyone, welcome back to our personal portfolio website application built with Laravel. The starting point of our video is the result of our previous video. If you haven't seen that, I will link that in the description down below. On the end of this video, we'll be able to create a new service and save it in our database for our website portfolio. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is to go in our VS Code, on resource, on views, on service directory, and create a form file that we're going to use when I create a service and when I edit service. So we'll create this form.blade.php and go in our index.blade.php file, move this service model and put it in our form.blade.php. Now let's create a file called create.blade.php and include our admin service form. Alright, and then go in our index.blade.php file. Over here, include our admin service create file. Alright, it is still working. Now we are going to fill out this form. So let's go in form. Over here, add the name to this input, which will be name. Over here, a name will be icon. On this text tag, the name will be description. Alright, now let's go in our create.blade.php file, add a form with method post and action with root admin.services.store, add ssref token and close this form tag. Alright, we haven't created this admin service store root, so we'll go in roots folder in web.php file. Over here, duplicate this root. Over here it will be post, and the method will be store, and the name will be admin services.store. We haven't created this store, so we'll go in our service controller. Over here, create a public function store, which will get a request. Within, add a variable services, which will call a new service. The service name will get a request name. The service icon will get a request icon. The service description will get a request description. And then save our service. Alright, after that, we are going to be redirected to our roots admin services.index. Alright, now let's fill out this form and see if it works. Alright, we see our service has been created. So let's just add a flash message. Service added. Alright, we have already create our flash message. So let's include over here our flash message. Alright, now when we fill out this form and save the new service, our service will be added and we will see this flash message. Alright, now let's just add a validation form. So let's go back in our store function, add a request validate with name required and description will be required. Alright, and go back in our form.blade.php. Over here under this input name, add the error first, which is name, with message, we'll copy this and put it over here. Alright, see our flash message when we try to save a service without fill out this input. We'll copy this and paste it in our description. Alright, when we try to fill out this form without name and description, we see this error. Alright, so let's stay here for the moment. We finished to see how to create a new service. In upcoming video we will see how to edit and delete the service for this portfolio website. If you have still any kind of question, you can ask me in comment box. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Give a like if you did and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.